What's going on, y'all? This is Corey Mullen, Chief Designer for Fresh Pedestrian and Product Manager for F&G, showing off this new product, Essence of Riri. Okay, y'all, so here's the product. Yessir, made by Essence of Riri. It's 100% natural, organic, animal cruelty free. One of the first products from the men's collection. As you can see, my hands are a little rough now, so I'm gonna take my rings off and I'm gonna dive right into it. Usually don't take my rings off, y'all. It's all right. Try some of this out. Smells great. Really get it in there. I don't know if you can see this, but this is really making my skin glow. Even the tattoos I have on my hands and fingers, it's just, oh man. This is some of the good stuff here. It's that stuff you put on as soon as you get out the shower. You know, when them elbows start piling up with ash. You can just look at this, man. Look at this. Wow. Wow. And it smells great, y'all. Really wish I would buy into this. The one I got with the shipping included, literally was like 13, 15 bucks. And you get a coupon for 10% off when you buy it. So definitely cop some of this handmade, black owned, Yessir, Jory Miller, you know, some of the good stuff. There's so much more I would like to say, but I feel like you have to try it for yourself. You know, this is a very good product, body butter. There's not really many skin products for guys these days. So this is definitely a cop. Definitely buy into it. Jory, big shout out to you. I appreciate that. Follow on Instagram, Joe Mill Styles, JOMILL Styles, or you can follow her on Essence of Riri. That's definitely her main page as well. And then you got Pretty in Color Boutique. You can literally type that in and it should pop right on up. You know, very rooted entrepreneur in the community. Big up to Jory Miller. Appreciate y'all checking out the vid. I'm cured. I'm cured. But yeah, appreciate y'all checking out the vid. Definitely staying tuned. Definitely more to come. That smells good. All right, y'all. Peace out. Follow